Everyone thinks the best-selling single-serve coffee maker is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Keurig K-Elite. Let's kick things off with the Keurig K-Elite. This coffee maker caught my eye with its sleek brushed gold finish and impressive features, priced at around $139.99. If you want a coffee maker that gives you total control over your brew strength and temperature, this is worth a serious look. What makes the K-Elite stand out is its ability to brew multiple cup sizes, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12 ounces. That means whether you crave a quick espresso shot or a full mug, it has you covered. The strong brew setting is a game changer for those mornings when you need that extra kick. Plus, the iced coffee setting is a nice touch, allowing you to enjoy delicious iced coffee without diluting it. With a large 75 Oz water reservoir, you can brew several cups before needing a refill, which is a huge time saver. Now, some users mention that the machine can take a bit longer to brew, especially on the iced setting. Here's the thing though, if you're in a hurry, you might want to consider that. But for most coffee lovers, the taste and versatility outweigh this minor drawback. This is perfect for you if you love variety in your coffee and want a machine that can do it all quickly. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-compact or if speed is your top priority. It's a solid investment for coffee enthusiasts. Now, if the price tag of the K-Elite made you hesitate, the next option might be a better fit. Product number 2, Keurig K-Classic. Next up is the Keurig K-Classic, priced at $119.99. This model is another popular choice with a sturdy design and dependable features. If you want a straightforward coffee maker that still delivers quality, this one's definitely worth considering. The K-Classic brews 3 cup sizes, 6, 8, and 10 ounces. It also comes with a simple button control system, making it easy to operate even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Plus, the auto-off feature is handy for saving energy. However, some users reported that the brew can be a bit weaker than expected, especially on the 6 Oz setting. But I'll be real with you, if you're okay with using the 8 Oz setting for a stronger cup, this isn't a deal-breaker at all. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable, no-fuss coffee maker that gets the job done. Skip this if you're after advanced features like iced coffee brewing. Overall, it offers great value for its price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those of you short on space. Product number 3, Keurig K-Mini. Now let's talk about the Keurig K-Mini, priced at just $65. This one caught my attention with its compact size, making it perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or even your office desk. If you're tight on space and still want great coffee, this is definitely worth a look. The K-Mini fits anywhere, measuring less than 5 inches wide. It brews any cup size from 6 to 12 ounces, which is perfect for those quick coffee breaks. The 1-cup reservoir means you'll add fresh water for each brew, ensuring your coffee is always fresh. Plus, the travel mug-friendly design accommodates larger mugs, which is a sweet bonus for busy mornings. Honestly, the only complaint I found was that it doesn't have a larger reservoir, meaning you'll need to refill it each time. But think about it, if you're in a small space, ease of use and compactness trump a larger reservoir. This is perfect for you if you need something portable and space-saving. Skip this if you're someone who drinks multiple cups a day and prefers a larger reservoir. For the price point, it's hard to beat. Alright, next we have another compact option that might surprise you. Product number 4, Keurig K-Mini Mate. Next up is the Keurig K-Mini Mate, priced at $59.99. This coffee maker is a little brother to the K-Mini, but it still packs a punch. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on quality, this is a great choice. The K-Mini Mate is designed to brew up to 12 ounces. Its compact design fits perfectly in small spaces, making it ideal for dorms or tiny kitchens. Like its sibling, it features a travel mug-friendly design so you can brew and go. The sleek look is appealing, and it's available in various colors to match your style. However, some reviews noted that it can take a bit longer to brew compared to other models. Here's the thing though, it's a minor trade-off for the compactness and affordability it offers. If you can spare an extra minute for that fresh cup, then you won't regret it. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish and compact coffee maker on a budget. Skip this if you need something that brews quickly for multiple cups. It's an excellent value for money. Finally, if you're looking for an even more budget-friendly option, the next one might just blow you away. Product number 5. Elite Gourmet EHC 113M. Last but not least, we have the Elite Gourmet EHC 113M, priced at just $21.99. This is a fantastic option if you're on a tight budget but still want a single-serve coffee maker that delivers decent coffee. If you're looking for something affordable, this might be the one for you. What sets the Elite Gourmet apart is its included 14 Oz stainless steel travel mug, which is not only durable but also fits under most coffee dispensers. You can brew your coffee in under a minute, which is a lifesaver for busy mornings. Plus, the one-touch operation makes it super easy to use even if you're half asleep. However, some users mention that the coffee can sometimes come out a bit lukewarm. I get it if you prefer your coffee piping hot, that could be a downside. But for the price, it's hard to complain. Just consider preheating your mug for better results. This is perfect for you if you want an incredibly budget-friendly option that still brews coffee quickly. Skip this if you're looking for high-end features or if you need your coffee very hot. Honestly, it's a steal for what you get. To wrap it all up, we've covered the Keurig K Elite for versatility, the K Classic for reliability, the K Mini for compact living, the K Mini Mate for budget-friendly style, and the Elite Gourmet EHC 113M for ultimate affordability. Each has its strengths, so choose the one that fits your lifestyle best.